The fish in their pictures actually look bigger in real life. They once found a school of fish, and the fish gave them a high school diploma. Sharks have a week dedicated to them. Fish post pictures of them on their Snapchats. They once caught a fish by simply asking it, "Hey, how are ya?" They are the members of the Spartan fishing team, starting with Andreas Aceves, Lillian Arndt, Nick Arndt, Hadil Awad, Isaac Baez, Nick Brown, Kate Burke, Emily Butinariu, Deanna Jackson, Shawnee Jacobs, Jake Jensen, Matt Paplaskas, Ty Fan and Deja Rogos, Isaac Roche, Rose Savalio, Anissa Torres, and Alex Trionis. And that's not all. There's a lot more to know about these interesting Spartans. For example, did you know that when these Spartans were born, they tried reeling in their umbilical cords? And perhaps the most interesting thing of all, if you fish the same bodies of water that we do, you're gonna want to list it on your college application. Once again, Spartans, how about a big round of applause for the most interesting team in the school? If you like to fish, or if you just appreciate the great outdoors, swing by Coach Kuchit's room 372 on the 3rd floor to find out some more information about the fishing team and join us on the water. We'd love to have you.